I am Hershey Juan, Rappler correspondent from Daraga Albay. Today we are at Tagaytay, Kamalig Albay, wherein the elections for the 2025 national and local elections is currently conducted by the Tagaytay Elementary School. We have here Miss, what's your name?
Aisa Morada, ma'am.
Aisa Morada, the school head of the elementary school. So currently po, ma'am, kumusta naman po yung naging flow na?
So far, we're so thankful na it's very smooth sailing, walang problema. Though kanina, very early in the morning, medyo may kumpol-kumpol ng tao. But then, nabigyan namin ng solusyon. We already had the holding areas ng mga groups para doon na sila pwedeng umupo para hindi magkakumpol-kumpol yung mga tao. And since medyo mainit na, yung mga rooms na pinag-identify as holding areas, yun na muna sila.
Wala man po kayo ma'am na-encounter na any kind of problem?
So far, ma'am, wala. Okay. And hoping wala talaga.
Yung population po ma'am ng voters dito na magboboto sa elementary school, ilan po kaya?
More or less, we're expecting nasa 2,000, roughly 2,000 people.
Okay po. Wala man po tayong expect na magiging possible problems later?
So far, ma'am, wala po talaga. Because may coordination with the police and then si barangay. That's why medyo okay lahat and then smooth sailing yung conduct ng voting process dito sa
anong mga barangay po ma'am ang bumoboto dito sa elementary school today?
Tagaytay Elementary School and then yung mga catchment areas. Actually, Tagaytay residents lang. Pero since Tagaytay is one of the biggest barangays ng Kamalig, mayroon tayong relocation site. And then dito sila bumababa at dito sila bumuboto talaga.
Yun lang naman po ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So this is Hershey Juan reporting from Daraga Albay.